Hello again, everybody. Today we swapped out, or I swapped out, this top hose. It connects in, I believe, 8 different places. Top of the radiator, bottom of the radiator, comes across here, piece of plastic comes down, 2 other hoses come out of it, and those hoses go to this top section here, right there and right there. Then this comes across. There's another hose that goes across here, connects on this side, one goes from this side, and they join together right here to this hose here. These are all, you push them, like press them together, then push them, then they come off. Same thing here, you press the 2 tabs on either side. You have to push it in, push the tabs, and then it comes off. A little bit more difficult than what I'm showing here, but straightforward, anybody can do it. And you just get a pair of channel locks. You can grab this and squeeze them together so you can pull them out and put these hoses and put these clamps back on. Now these clamps come already open. The one that is here comes open, the one at the bottom comes open, and the one over here comes open. What they do is that they're squished, and they have a little clip on there that once you set it in and you line up that line with the piece of plastic on that side and that line with the piece of plastic on top, so you know you're lined up properly, then you just grab your channel locks, you grab the top and pull, and it pops, and this is in place, secured the way it should be. I put gloves over any opening that I exposed just to seal them up, since I had to have this open for a couple of weeks while I waited for the hose, and then I had to go out of town for a bit. I do have the updated one-piece top hose, top crossover, not the one that used to have the 2 pieces sandwiched together. They used to always split at the seam. But let me show you where this one failed. This one failed right here. See that there's a seam right there, like from casting or something, and that's where it developed a leak. I'll show it to you. This is what the hose looks like. Here's the bottom radiator connection, top one, the one that connects to the crossover pipe. 2 of the ones that go to, I think this either the supercharger or the intercooler on the top, 2 on the other side, and the 2 that join up together and go into that other hose that heads down. And I developed a leak right there, right on the seam. When it's under pressure, it was leaking water right there. I've never even heard of that one before. I've always heard of the nightmare that is the old one of these splitting in 2, and the crossover pipe, crossover heater pipe all the way in the back. Now I did get the actual Land Rover brand metal one. This one, the one that connects at the bottom and then splits off into 2 all the way down there, and the metal one that goes in the back. Now this one and the one down there are Land Rover branded products. The small little piece that goes between the back of the water pump and I think the entrance to the oil cooler, I believe, I may have been mistaken on that. It comes with that piece, and it comes with the metal one in the back with 2 brand new Land Rover brand O-rings. Now I don't have to do that right now. I don't have any leaks of any kind on that side, but that's what's going on. I will update these at some point to the metal ones just to relieve myself from any of these issues. And when I do that, since this has to come up, I'll do the water pump and that small little piece that's normally plastic that I have the metal replacement for, and the crossover one in the back, and have all that checked out. Sprayed out the, removed the mass airflow sensors, pulled these pins and these connectors, pulled them out, sprayed them all down. They're dry, they're back in there. And tomorrow when I get the vacuum filling kit that I ordered from Amazon, I will go ahead and use that with the proper coolant and some distilled water and get it all going. For now, that's the daily driver. All right, everybody. Have a great day, everybody. Be well.